To the channel. Today we're going to do a fresh oil change on the Mk5 GTI because I have to leave for school next probably 3 days, so I want to get a fresh oil change on the GTI, make sure everything is running smooth. Because if you're gonna drive long distance, make sure your oil is changed so you don't have no problem when you're traveling. Fresh oil, the engine runs smooth, better, everything going well. So first, I got the jack right here. I don't have a professional jack, so I'm using the one right there on the floor with the jack stand, so, and with the thing to jack it up. But probably soon I'm gonna get a professional jack, so it don't matter. So we're gonna get the oil changed. I have the oil right here, over here. Liquid moly 5W40 with the SDP oil filter. My arms is tired right now. So the car's in the air. So now we gotta put off the skid pan right here. The skid plate right there. We gotta pull that off. Then after we pull that off, the oil pan is gonna be exposed in the oil filter. So I'll be right back. Got the skid plate off right there, so now we got everything exposed over here. Got the ECS tuning oil filter housing, and the oil pan is exposed now. So now we can finish everything. So I'm gonna start taking off the filter and open the oil pan. That was a lot of work. My arms were hurt a little bit, but you gotta keep going. To open the oil filter, you need a 18mm a 19mm socket and a 1/2" drive ratchet. It's your preference. I like using the 1/2" drive ratchet because it's more grip and it opened the bolt easily for me. I don't know your preference, but for me it is. We got the bolt right here. Got the bolt right here. We got the oil pan open. Now it's draining. Hopefully that could catch all the oil that's flowing out the drain pan. Cause I kind of cut the bucket. Cause I always use that to change my oil. I don't know why. Cause it's just a bucket and I don't have to buy one. Nobody uses it, and it's at my house. So I just use it to do my oil change every time. Next, we gotta open the oil filter up there. And we're gonna do that when the oil finishes draining, okay? Make sure you tighten back the oil pan, because you don't want any oil leaking out, so make sure you tighten it back. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's the oil filter housing. And what you need, I'm using the smaller ratchet for this one. You need a T40 if you have that's if you have the ECS tuning oil filter. If you don't, then you just open it regularly. Okay, it's open. Oil is gonna come out, so make sure. And I don't have a magnet to hold it. This is gonna be crazy. It might spill a lot, so just be careful. Look, a lot of oil. I told you it might be a lot. Look, see how it's dripping? That's hella oil, yo. We got the oil filter housing off from ECS tuning. So now we're gonna take the filter out and get the new one that's up there and put it on. And it's kind of getting dark, so I'm kind of hurry up. I'm not gonna record every single thing. So this is probably the last thing I'm gonna record, and you guys probably gonna see me pour the oil in after. But Gotta take this off, put the new filter on, and that's it. Screw it back on. Oil change is finished. So let's go. We are finished with everything. Tighten the skid plate on the car, under the car. Now we just have to put the oil in the car and start it and see if anything leaking. So let's go. Put you guys down right here. Put you guys just right there so you can get a nice view of what I'm doing. Right there, that's fine. Okay. And what I like about this oil bottle is like you don't have to use a funnel. You don't have to. But you still gotta be careful though, because you don't want to spill oil anywhere in the engine bay. So you never have to use a damn funnel. And see if the oil is running right. Let them run for a little bit. Make sure nowhere under the car is leaking. Any oil. No leaks. It's kind of dark under there. Let's get the light. No oil leaking on the floor nowhere. So we good, guys. That's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe for more GTI content, more car content coming soon, gaming content. It's just everywhere, man. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.